this is what $480,000 will get you here in Katy, Texas. My name is Alex with Fishstream Realty, and today we are taking a look at new construction. So right over here, we've got a David Weekley home. First thing that you'll notice is a very long driveway. I want to say it can fit about 4 cars on each side. Nice black exterior. It's going to be a mix of brick and wood on the outside. This is a 2420 square foot home, 3 beds, 2.5 baths with a study room, a game room, and a 3-car garage. Let's check it out. So right off the bat, tall entryway right here, and heading through this front door. Okay, we're gonna have a nice tall entryway right here. Let me turn on that light, turn on these lights as well. Alrighty, to my left is gonna be the office. It's gonna come with a glass door right here. Alright, office room, nice and spacious, located right next to the front door. Camera's gonna be a little bit shaky, guys. I forgot my gimbal, so I'm doing this handheld. All right, U-shaped stairs leading up to, of course, upstairs. Half bathroom is gonna be right over here. All right, nice and simple. And my favorite part, guys, the main living area and the kitchen. So, nice tall ceilings, lots and lots of natural light coming in. It's about, I want to say 3:45 p.m. and you guys can see just how much natural light is leaking through this house right here. So right here, your TV, couch, dining area is going to be right over here. You can fit a pretty good sized fridge right here. Love the colors in this kitchen. All right, quartz countertops, nice large undermount sink with a gold faucet. I like that accent. 5-burner gas cooktop stove. All right, and a built-in functioning vent hood. Some extra space up there. Nice tall ceilings. This is a pretty deep kitchen right here. Dishwasher, oven, microwave, all new. Love the backsplash and the accent lighting under the cabinets. Lots and lots of storage. Lots and lots of storage. No harm done there. All right, and then right over here, you're gonna have your walk-in pantry right here. Let me turn on the lights. Walk-in pantry. All right, notice how there's no door to the walk-in pantry. And that's because it's just tucked away in the corner right there. Yeah, so this kitchen, lots and lots of storage space. Nice back patio. We're gonna take a look at that in a little bit, but let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Luxury vinyl floors throughout the whole house. Bedrooms are gonna have carpet. Nice tall ceilings, natural light coming in. That's what we like to see. All right, bedroom size is pretty fair. All right, it's not the biggest primary bedroom. And then right over here is gonna be your primary bath, dual vanity. All right, some extra storage right there for you guys. Bathtub. Nice walk-in shower. Alrighty, and this is going to be your walk-in closet. Okay, so some extra shelves right here to put your bags. Okay, good amount of space. Put your dresses, suits right over here. And then right over here is just going to be your toilet room. Yeah. All right. Let's head over to the backyard. I want to show you guys this backyard. So this backyard right here You've got a nice covered back patio, fully covered. All right, plenty of space. Okay, wood ceilings, lights included. All right, you got a gas hookup right here for your grill. Do some barbecuing back here. And this is your backyard. Backyard is pretty fair, all right? It's not the biggest, but I feel like the back patio, which is covered, kind of makes up for that. Yeah, so again, guys, this house is going for $480, new construction. This was just completed recently, 2420 square feet. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. Okay. All right, to my left, we got the garage and the washer and dryer room. We've got some extra storage for you guys right here, and even more storage in this door right over here. And then right over here is going to be your washer and dryer room with a built-in shelf. All right, some more storage right there for you guys. Love that. And then right over here is going to be your 3-car garage. So on top of that driveway, which is already really long, you can fit 3 cars in this garage right here, as you can see. All right, you've got the electrical panel located inside the garage for your convenience, and then you also have a tankless water heater. Personally, I prefer tankless water heater over a regular one. Okay, and let's take a look upstairs. So your 2 bedrooms and game room are going to be upstairs. Let's take a look up here. All right, you can look down into the entryway. U-shaped stairs leading up. All right, so here is your game room. Good natural light coming in, nice and spacious. Kids can hang out here. All right, and then you're gonna have your first secondary bedroom right over here. Pretty good size. I think the size is pretty fair. Closet space is pretty good too. Right over here is going to be the full bath. Let's take a look at that. All right, linen closet right here for storage. And then right over here is going to be your last bedroom right here. All right, this closet is going to be a little bit deeper. I want to say the other closet's a little bit bigger, but can't complain. Now guys, this house is listed for $480, brand new construction. If you guys have any questions or want to know how to get into the real estate game, not really sure where to start as a first-time home buyer, feel free to reach out to me or comment down below. I would love to help you guys out. That's it for today's video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And if you guys have anything else, comment down below.